Happy Monday! And a happy Monday it seems to be so far. I just got some pretty good news. I gotta hold off on telling anyone about it though, for a couple days anyway. But it's really exciting. I'm very excited. I feel like Santa came early. So if you've talked to me in the past couple of weeks, you probably can guess. But yeah, it's Monday. I've got good news. So here's hoping that we finish the day as good as it started. Also, here's this boy. What you doing? Oh, hi. Making pasta for dinner, gluten-free of course, and this boy is snooppervising as per usual. Oh, sitting down on the job. That turkey leg dough. Nom nom nom. What's he doing? Good in a scritch? Good in my scritches? Nappy. Hi, handsome. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. Say, I's the most handsome boy. I's the most handsomest boy. Made my dinner, played with the pup. Hi! I played with him. That silly boy. Hi. And dog fur in the mouth. It's a dog owner hazard. Played with him, ate my dinner, and now I'm going to close out the vlog and put it together. Obviously, I've taken a shower because I have my big fluffy hair. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.